In a world where technology is constantly evolving, a new innovation has taken to the skies: eVTOLs. But what exactly are eVTOLs? Today we'll explore this exciting concept that promises to revolutionize urban transportation. Imagine a future where congested streets are a thing of the past, and daily commutes become faster and more efficient. eVTOLs, also known as electric flying taxis, offer a tantalizing glimpse into this future. eVTOL stands for Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing Aircraft. These vehicles are electrically powered, enabling them to take off and land vertically like a helicopter. But they are also designed to fly more like airplanes, providing smoother and faster travel. How do eVTOLs work? The unique design of eVTOLs allows them to lift off and land in confined spaces, such as helipads or even designated rooftops. Instead of traditional rotors, eVTOLs use innovative technologies like tilt rotors, lift fans, or distributed electric propulsion to achieve vertical flight. eVTOLs come with numerous benefits. First and foremost, they are eco-friendly, producing zero direct emissions since they run on electricity. This can significantly reduce air pollution and contribute to a cleaner environment. Secondly, eVTOLs have the potential to reduce traffic congestion in cities, as they can travel directly from point to point, bypassing the need for road infrastructure. This means faster, more reliable commuting times. Additionally, the automation and autonomous capabilities of eVTOLs can enhance safety, as they minimize the risk of human error and can be monitored and controlled remotely. Despite the promising advantages, eVTOLs do face challenges. Battery technology, for example, needs further improvement to extend flight range and increase payload capacity. Airspace regulations also need to be established to ensure the safe integration of eVTOLs into existing air traffic. The eVTOL industry is growing rapidly, with numerous companies investing in research and development. Some experts predict that eVTOLs will become a common sight in urban skies within the next decade, transforming the way we move around cities. eVTOLs represent an exciting leap forward in urban transportation. With their electric power, vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, and potential to reduce congestion and emissions, they hold the promise of a greener, faster, and more efficient future for urban commuters.